Hi friends, Mrs. Harris and I are going to show you how to access HMH Player and how to problem solve if you can't get into the app. So first of all, you're going to go to the HMH Player app, which is yellow and right there like that. I'm touching that. And then you're going to, if your username comes up and you just have to type in the password, you're going to type in Burris and that will log you in. All right, and then probably your class from last year will come up first, and you're just going to swipe to land on this year's class. And underneath whatever animal is there, it will say View Library, and the interactive student edition, good heavens, will come up. A little bit hard to see, but it's right here. Touch that, and then it will tell you some chapters. So there's our unit 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to choose whatever unit it says on your page. So let's say it's unit 3, and then whatever chapter, maybe it's chapter 10, and you will touch on the chapter, and then whatever lesson that you've been asked to do, you'll touch on that lesson. So the lessons are over here. Let's see if I can show it to you, and you'll touch on whatever lesson it is. All right, so I'm going to touch on a lesson. This may not be the one that it is, and we'll wait for that to come up. And then you'll be able to watch a video. So you'll push start, you'll watch the video, and then you will have some activities to do with that. So you're going to make sure that all along the bottom you do until the end, and then you're going to submit. Now, Mrs. Harris is going to show you what to do in case you kind of get kicked out of the app, to how to get back in.
So on my screen, I've got HMH Player pulled up. The glare in here.
There, do you want me to hold it?
Maybe. You can't. Well, anyway, it'll come up with choose your destination. So I'm going to click my destination, and I'm going to click elementary school. I'm going to click the state that we live in, which is Indiana. I'm going to click the district, and Burris is under...
I actually go down to R and click the dot, and it'll take you a little shortcut.
So look at Mrs. O'Neill giving me a strategy. So state-operated school is what you need to find, and it's right there. And then the school we will highlight is Burris. And then you will use the username that we've also included in the front page of the Canvas login. And I'm going to type in the username that I have for my friends.
And then remember, the password is always Burris.
And so then I've got her, and I've got her logged in. And then just the same thing as Mrs. O'Neill, if it says Mrs. Canada from last year, then I'm going to swipe it to the right, and it'll come up with my name, and it'll come up with the year 2018, 2019. And then I will type View Library, the same as Mrs. O'Neill, click the Interactive Student Edition, and then you will do the same thing that Mrs. O'Neill did in the first part of this video.
Just make sure you follow the directions on your paper.
Thank you.